180s, and now I will show you how to do them. Before watching this, you must first learn how to do a front flip. The first step is to learn to do the rotation of your front flip higher up in the air. This is a regular front flip. Now this is a front flip with the rotation higher in the air. Once you figure out how to do that, you just need to practice 180s, which are really easy. Figure out which way is easier to do your 180. I do it to my right. For this last step, I recommend that you wet down your trampoline. You can jump higher this way. As you see, I can jump a lot higher now. So now you just need to put both steps together and do the front flip and the 180 both in the same jump. If you're too scared to do it, you just kind of have to overcome your fears and just send it. This is a really easy trick, and I know you guys will be able to do it. And if you did everything right, you'll come up with a front flip 180, just like this one.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to check out more videos on my channel, just click right down below the title on my channel name, Endress. I do dominoes, scootering, and a few other tutorials. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in the next video.